Welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute. A lot of stuff going on. My now fiance and I got engaged in March. Haven't really made anything other than some Instagram posts, and figured I'd kind of get some of this out of the way. So last video I had a 911. Recently sold that rather in January, and been looking for something to put the LS in. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I finally made a post about it, but I picked up this V6 Mustang really cheap the other day. It's a great platform to start fabricating some stuff and really put my skills to the test. Recently cleaned it all out. I'm going to get ready for a cage of some sort, as well as, the standard Kirkley bucket seat and some other stuff. But really look forward to testing out different skills. This car has no wiring harness, so I'm going to build a wiring harness from scratch for it, along with a fuse box, distribution stuff, things like that. I got lucky, and the gentleman who I purchased it from had already pulled the V6 swap out of it, so I don't have to worry about disposing of that, which is great. In the process of deciding whether or not I want to do a tubular K member or try to roll with this member that's in here. I guess if anybody has any pros and cons to each, please let me know in the comments. As far as the LS goes, it is complete. I have this really cool water neck adapter to run a remote water pump, as well as probably a rear mounted radiator in this to save some room up front. I've posted a bunch of stuff as far as YouTube or Instagram goes, but nothing here on YouTube. Really been working away at learning how to TIG weld and making things. We did a flipped truck manifolds, as well as 2.5 inch to a T6 collector. We're going to run the VS Racing 475. It's a 132 hot side, so it should make some decent power. Really rocking the old Amazon and eBay stuff here. It's tried and true stuff that works, and for me, this is a budget build. Really trying to figure out where I can save a little bit of money. Some new shop equipment. I put together this swag bandsaw, as well as the Wen belt sander, Amazon Prime deal, $88. Can't beat it. Some of the other stuff I've been working on, again, fabrication stuff, trying to figure out ways to support this T6 manifold, being that it's so heavy. So I made these cups and some bracing, and I'll have some more in this episode on that. But wanted just to get kind of a feeler for what you guys want to see. Like I said, probably, Turbo 400, 5.3, basic 8.8 rear. I don't know much about these cars, so I'm kind of learning as I go, but a Barrett shell is great. So if anybody has anything, please let me know. So in the previous video, I kind of showed you guys this stuff, but I wanted to go into more detail with it. I was trying to figure out ways to mount or support this flange with the giant turbo hanging off of it, and use existing mounting spots on the block. Some guys will do like a washer, things like that, but I wanted to do something that was kind of like nice and aesthetic looking. So what I did was I took some 1-inch tube and welded up some washers to it, drilled the washer out, made these cups, and then we'll use the existing bosses on the cast iron block in order to give it somewhere to bolt to. In this case, this is just some 3/16 steel stock, and welded one to both ends, and this will sit kind of like this in that boss and this boss. We'll run an Allen bolt with a small washer to center it, as well as keep it kind of tucked into the cup so there's nowhere for things to get caught on. Personally, just think it's a slick little mount, and yeah.